Good weekend, everybody. Hope everybody's having a nice holiday weekend. We're going to look at the sectors that have the most potential for this coming week. Obviously, the news about the virus is going to be very important, as well as how much money is getting out to the small businesses. So we want to take a look at what sectors are probably going to act the best based upon our candlestick charts this week. As our analysis shows, a couple weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, we had the morning star signal followed by the doji sandwich, giving us a McMuffin pattern, which is a very strong reversal signal. We were followed by a J-hook pattern, which indicates that wave 3 should be the same as wave 1 with this little J-hook. That still makes the 50-day moving average our likely target, indicating there's probably a few more days to the upside before we see any resistance. That same scenario can be applied to the NASDAQ. When it opened positive on Friday, it did a doji, which told you there was indecision, but that's not unexpected after a long or right before a long weekend. Now we want to watch to see if they're going to get back up here to the 50-day moving average, same as the Dow. If it breaks through there, it's coming up to the 200. But what this implies is as long as we're above the T-line, we can pretty much consider the markets in an uptrend. So we want to find the strongest sectors in this uptrend. We can do scanning just as easily as if we were scanning for individual stocks. We can see the J-hook pattern setting up in the silver mining stocks. Notice our best friend, a doji gap up through the resistance level, still making some more upside potential. Same scenario over here on gold stocks. The gold mining sector showed that they broke out through the 50 and traded strong, also giving you an indication that wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 are going to take gold stocks higher. So this allows us to go to each individual sector. We're seeing SA coming right back up to the resistance level. If it opens positive, you've got a bobble breakout, making the 200-day moving average a likely target. Silver stocks, as in MAG, same scenario. Notice our double doji breakout. First target, second target, testing the recent highs. So these are very good prospects for a sector buying. Ego, another one. If it opens positive, doing a bobble breakout, up here or up here as far as your target. The healthcare stocks also acting well with kind of a morning star signal J-hook pattern. Likely target should be up here, which would also be filling this gap as far as sector analysis, allowing us to identify which stocks. CMD, a good J-hook pattern potential coming up to this level. SPNE, same scenario. You can see how the doji gap up through the T-line provided this little J-hook pattern setup. And XENT, another slow curve potential breakout up to this side or up to this level. Regional banks also had good strong charts, so you might find some good ones in there. CUBI coming back up through the T-line with a little best friend signal. First target, second target, or CADE. When you analyze your charts, you also have the benefit using candlestick graphics to tell you which stocks have had the strongest move, a breakout move using the T-line, which ones have the biggest percentage upside. So this week, we're looking at the silver and gold mining stocks, the healthcare services, and the regional banks. The ones that we looked at last week, as far as the mortgage stocks and some of the housing stocks, have been acting very well. So with that, remember, you want to kind of learn how to use the candlestick signals confirmations to see which stocks are going to be opening the best or the strongest. With that, everybody have a good week. We'll see you in the chat rooms.